Hey there, YouTubers. Alright, another unboxing video. So this will find its way into the solar category on the channel. We do a lot of tech stuff and unboxing, so I'm trying to sort everything for those of you that subscribe, because probably not everybody wants to do solar stuff. We've got gaming. I got all kinds of stuff on this channel. Eventually my other channel will get monetized. We should have 2 monetized channels. Now we only got 1. I have another channel trying to get monetized, and so we will eventually divide some of these things up. Alright, so jumper cable. So I needed basically cables with good old battery clamps, right? So I said, why not just buy this thing, which was like $11, and I will split the cable. It's a lot easier to use something like this on a battery terminal than to constantly loosen up your cables. Considering I always move mine around. Got them outside, inside. Eventually I'll punch a hole through the wall so I can put an outlet and just leave everything outside. But yeah, so there you have it. This is Road Power 3.66 meters. So these things are really long, like 20 freaking feet long, huh? They're a lot thicker than I thought they were going to be. 10 gauge, and I have no doubt these are 10 gauge. This is interesting. So you can tell which one is your positive by the texture on the outside of it, and which one is the negative. Has a lot less. So pretty cool. 3.66 meters. So not quite 12 feet. Or actually exactly 12 feet as it says. Yeah, 39 inches to a meter, I guess. So I guess that somehow comes out. And good deal. So I want to see something here. So I've got one of my batteries, and make sure we don't actually cross these. So yeah, my plans are, to attach that guy there, and voila, the other one. And but I'll have them cut up, and then that will feed into the solar controller. So I have to figure out how much of this I want to cut off, because the good thing is being able to separate things a little further. So I'll probably make one short and one long, and we'll see how that goes. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and make sure you like it. Thank you.